Hi everybody. In this part 2 video we will continue exploring the new Smart Monitor 2.7ex board, and we will see a little bit more about the software, how to program it, and of course how to use the functions that are available on board. If you remember from the previous time, this is the new Smart Monitor released board that will be soon available also on Tindi. What it's bringing new about, it's the real-time clock option, if you want, the real-time clock module on the board, with the switching pin through the MOSFET. So basically you have if you want alarm switched available here, and of course the power supply option. You can just look the previous video where I've done an extended presentation of the board, so I will not insist anymore about, and we will go let's say a little bit further to see what's happening on the software side. So the connection is very simple. You can just hook it up directly to the Next Evolution board, or of course you can use it with whatever MCU or board you want. You can run it with your Arduino, you can run it with your STM, you can run it with whatever MCU you want. The only thing that you need to keep in mind is that it need to be 3.3 volt compatible, and it need to have proper I2C bus, and that's it. Now in our case we are using it together with the Next Evolution board. So we just connected them together. I will bring also the USB cable, and that's it. Let me switch to the software side. Okay, so now what I want to show you first, it's how to identify and how to be sure that your board is properly connected and all the devices on the board are working okay. Because in our case both of the devices that we are interested in, the real-time clock and the power monitor, are on the I2C bus. We are using the I2C bus scanner program to try to detect them and to see if they are working okay. I will not insist anymore on the I2C bus program. You will find the link below. We talk about, and I explain it already. So it's already uploaded in our ESP8266 flash memory. So we have the scan bus program. Okay, so just let me run it. Okay, so as you can see here, after running the scan bus, the next bus scanning has found the INA 2119 current power monitor on address 040 hexa. So basically it's the power monitor from here, and it has found also the PCF 8563 real-time clock at address 051 hexa. So we have here the real-time clock. So This is telling us that the board is working okay and the devices are available. Let's see what's happening if we are running the scan without having the device connected. Yeah, as you can see, is no device found on the I2C bus. Yeah, it's normal. Yeah, let's connect it back. I know probably there will be some people complaining about the fact that I2C bus is not exactly a hot swappable one in this configuration where you don't have the proper hot swap ICs for the bus, but believe me, for this very simple example, it won't create any trouble. Yeah, because we are not running anything on the I2C bus when we are inserting and removing the boards. Yeah. Okay, so let's run it again. As you can see, the current power monitor and the real-time clock are back and everything is working okay. Okay, so this is about connecting the boards and doing the detection of the devices. We can say now that the connections are okay and that both IC are responding on the bus. Let's go a little bit further and let's try to see how it's working the real-time clock. Yeah, so again, the driver for the real-time clock is already uploaded. I have a full article regarding the real-time clock driver, so you will find the link below and you can go and take a look on it. Yeah, on our esp8266projects.com websites. Yeah. Okay, so let's try first to read the time. Just a simple read time function, and let's see what's happening. It's not working because we didn't put any values. Yeah, of course. Okay. Let me initialize properly the bus. Okay. I've just set an arbitrary time and we will just try to read it back and to see that it will start running and if it's running okay. Yeah, so it was not initialized after rebooting. Of course you need to initialize the real-time clock. Yeah, after that it will read garbage. Yeah, so as you can see now it's running. I will keep it running and we will read time a little bit later to see if it's incrementing. Okay, meanwhile I will explain you what are we doing here. Yeah, so very quick. First thing that you need to do after powering it on is to set the time and date. Yeah, for the set time and date you have the function set time. Yeah, and in set times the set time things are quite simple. So basically this is the year, this is the month, this is the date, the day of the week if you want, this is the day, the calendar day. Yeah, this is hour, this is minutes, and this is seconds. Okay, let's set it up to some real stuff. Yeah, so it's 2016, month it's 8th, day it's Wednesday 4, and August still 3, I think, and time, let's say that it's 11:33. Yeah, so I just set it up on the new time, the real time if you want. Yeah, and let's see if we retime what's happening. Yeah, as you can see, it's Wednesday, 3 August 2016, 11:33 and 12 seconds already. Yeah, so if we wait a little bit, it will go further. Yeah, okay. So this is how you can very quickly set up the and initialize the real-time clock, and you can read back values from the real-time clock. And from now on, I know that you know that you can use this timestamp for logging data, for logging your voltage, power consumption, or even other things, because as you know, the next bus is giving us the possibility to daisy chain boards. Yeah, and this is another thing. With this board we can monitor one voltage and one power consumption. Yeah, let's say we have a load here. Yeah, but what's happening if we want to bring a second one? To bring a second one, it's very simple. We can just add another board and we can daisy chain them through the connector. Yeah, on the same I2C bus. Yeah, from the address jumpers. Yeah, as you can see here, we have I2C setup jumpers. Yeah, from here we can set up a different I2C address for the power monitor IC. Yeah, and that's it. You can use them daisy chained. Yeah, for the extension boards. Yeah, of course you don't need to have again a real-time clock. Yeah, so you can order, if you want, one board with a real-time clock, and for daisy chains ones you can use the simple ones. Yeah, like the previous 2.5 version ones. Yeah, okay, so this is all for now. I just wanted to show you very quick how to use the real-time clock. I've done it in this order and not the power monitor first, because somebody was asking me to do the real-time clock one first, so here it is. Yeah, okay. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like my videos, please give me a big thumbs up, and see you next time.